Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn the most important tool in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, that is Journey Builder. By its name we get it's a journey. But what kind of journey it is, that we will see in this lecture. Now first slide is Salesforce Marketing Cloud Journey Builder. Journey Builder in Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a powerful tool that allows marketers to create, automate, and personalize customer journeys across multiple channels, ensuring every interaction is meaningful and aligned with customer behavior. It is a tool within a Salesforce Marketing Cloud for creating automated customer journeys. The purpose of Journey Builder is to enhance customer engagement through personalized multi-channel communications. The key components of Journey Builder are entry source, activities, decision splits, wait times, and goal tracking. Now there are some use cases in Journey Builder, like welcome journey. By sending a series of welcome emails or other communications, you can introduce new customers. Like when the welcome journey is sent at when we log in or visiting the site at first time. The second, onboarding journey. Customer learns how to use your products effectively and reduce the risk of churn. It will guide us how to use product, and it is a more functional and educational, triggered after customer makes their first purchase. The third, abandoned cart journeys. Abandoned cart journeys are triggered immediately after a user leaves items in their cart. Win-back journey is the journey that it will trigger when customer has been inactive for a specific period. Now there are key components in Journey Builder, like entry sources and activities. We will see entry sources. There are many entry sources like API event, audience, cloud pages, data extension, event, and Salesforce data. In data extension, contacts enters from sendable data extension. Salesforce data entry source, it is a source uses for Salesforce object. In API event, contacts enter via API call. And in cloud pages, triggered when user submits a cloud page form. Now there are another key component of a journey builder is activities. In activities, there are two types of activities: messaging activity and flow control activities. There is also sales and service cloud activities. In messages activity, we can send messages to the subscribers or users through email, SMS, push notifications, or on a WhatsApp. In flow control activities, there are decision split, engagement split, join, and some wait activities. In wait activities, we can pause contacts for a fixed time or until specific date. Join is used to rejoin split paths back into the one. And decision split and engagement split we will discuss after that, after the demo. There is also one activity, sales and service cloud activities. Let's see this. While building the journey builder. Now, if we want to create a journey builder, then we have to go in a journey builder. In Journey Builder, there is Automation Studio on Journey Builder. We have to go in the Journey Builder. In this window, the various Journey Builders created earlier are listed. And see, these are the Journey Builders earlier created in all journeys. We want to create new journey, so create new journey and create. So we can take here an entry point. Entry point, it is a point where in which we enters the data of a subscriber. We will take data extension here in which our contacts are present. I already created data extension, which is I will be using here. I will be using here. The name of data extension is SKDOB. Now, if we want to check whichever email we are sending to the customers or subscribers, are they open the emails or they click the email or what they do with that email? We can check that within a journey builder. On that basis, journey builder can take a decision. We can take an email which I have already created. Here two options, select message or new message. You can create a new message or already created message, you can select that. I choose that message and done. Now there are two activities, engagement split and decision split. Engagement splits are the splits look at the most recent messages that was sent from the journey. It takes decision on customer engagement, and in decision split, it is either journey data or contact data to send contacts down specific paths. There are two paths or up to 20 paths we can create in decision splits, and it takes decision on attribute value you have stored in a data extension. So first we take a decision split. In decision split, we define the paths. First path, let's create India. Edit that. Here we can go in a journey data. Journey data, it is a data in which it comes from the data extension. We already choose one. All its attributes come here. So we take country. If country equal to India, then we will go into this path. And second path is China. If country equals to China, then this path will be followed. Now see, in decision split, if country is India, then we should send this India email demo 201 email is sent. And if country is China, we send another email. So take email and configure that email. I already created email for China. So I select message. From here, I choose that. And I click done. Now we send emails for country having India and country having China, but we want to check it is an email. This email is opened or not. So we take engagement split. But for engagement split, we have to choose wait activity. We can configure that activity. In that, we can set minutes, hours. We can set 12 hours. Now we can copy that activity to use in another time. So copy, choose that activity which you want to copy. That will come in here and use. So now we can use engagement split. In data, from data extension, we choose whether India is customer's country or China. If India, then send this email. After 12 hours, we will check. Select message summary. Here we can check whether he opens or clicks or the email bounces. So he click on open and if the customer opens the email, then this path will be followed, and if no, then this path will be followed. I want the if customer did not open the email, I want to resend that email to the customer. So I copy that email and put here, so he can receive again email. Now for China also, I take engagement split. Here also two parts. Again, I will choose message. Message matrix opens and done. Now here also I want to resend the email if he did not open or click that email. So I copy that email. In this way we created the journey builder, journey builder. So now we can validate, but before that we should schedule. Schedule types will be run once, recurring, and run once and done. Also, before activate that journey, we have to set the contact entry, which are the three types: no entry, no re-entry, re-entry anytime, and re-entry only after exiting. Now, what is no re-entry? If we went first time on any website, let's Amazon, it will ask us to sign up, and after that, after next day, you should not get the same link or same format. You should instead of sign up, you should go at the sign in. So no re-entry is used there. Now re-enter anytime is used if you sign up on Amazon and purchases something on some particular 9 a.m. and entered in journey. Now we receive invoices and we purchase that product. But in on same website or Amazon, we purchase some another product at different time, like 3 p.m. Now you should get another invoice, new invoice. So at that time, we set the contact entry, re-entry anytime. And for re-entry only after exiting is used in the scenario like if we have send emails to those subscribers who has birthday or anniversary. So birthday and anniversary will come in only in one time in a year. So it will exit for the entire year. So we will use re-entry only after exiting. Now here we use no re-entry and done. Now revalidate. It will validate our journey. And activate the journey. It will take some time. Yes, activation is successful. So in this way, we created the journey in a journey builder. Thank you.